In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money with the Royal Business Academy. And trust me, guys, if you're thinking about buying this product, chances are that you don't know all the ways in which you can earn money with it. Hey, hello, my name is Yana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you several ways in which you can earn money with Royal Business Academy, also known as RBA. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure, guys, that we are on the same page and you know and understand all the potential that you have if you decide to join this opportunity. Okay. Something really important is, first of all, what is RBA or the Royal Business Academy? Okay. And how much it is if you decide to join. Okay. First of all, RBA, it's first things first, it's a community. Okay. If you decide to join RBA, you're going to be part of a community of entrepreneurs who are looking for several ways in which they can earn money online. Okay, in this community, you're going to have access to the school platform. You're going to have access to live classes, as you can see here. In almost 2 days, we're going to have a live training at no extra charge. Also, you have the opportunity to learn about 400 plus income generation ideas. You also have 20,000 done for you templates and branding tools that you can customize and you can sell because these are PLR products. You're going to have government contracting training. So you're going to learn exactly how to tap into the world of government contracts and scale your business a smart way. You're going to have the opportunity to learn about financial and investment education, how to manage, grow, and invest your business profit with clarity and intention. Okay. There is also this really amazing bot, which is called the Royd bot. If you don't know anything about marketing, definitely Roybot is going to help you because it's helps you craft high converting sales funnels, offer and content. It's going to help you grow your audience and improving and organic and paid lead strategies. You're going to learn also um, how to earn money with Amazon, with Etsy, and affiliate marketing, and definitely different ways in which you can actually be really profitable, and they're also adding more content. So definitely it's a great opportunity with a really low investment. By the time recording this video, it's $29. That's it. There is no monthly fee. There is no upsell. It's just $29 if you're looking to be part of the Royal Business Academy. Okay. So I'm going to be leaving the link below if you decide that this is for you. Well, first things first, the first way in which you can monetize this, it's because it gives you the master results, right? You can earn 100% of the commission. That's the very first way. You can resell RBA and earn 100% of the commission. Okay. That's the very first way if you're looking to earn money with RBA. Okay. Definitely a great way. It's literally by selling the the whole community, all the trainings and all this stuff. Okay. So that's the very first way in which you can actually earn. Okay. And remember, you're going to get 100% of the commission. You decide how you actually want to receive the payment. Okay. The second way, it's by reselling the PLRs. You can rebrand and resell them. Okay. As I mentioned it before, there are over 20,000 of these PLRs that you can actually resell. Where you can find them. Okay. You're going to scroll down and here we have the PLR suites. Okay. Here you have over 20,000 PLR templates and startup guides and the products that you can rebrand and you can resell. Okay. That's another way in which you can actually earn money. And because these are PLR, okay, please make sure that you're going to read it because some of them have like a minimum in which you can sell it. Others, you are free to give them away, or you can also put your own price. Okay. The third way that I'm going to mention about using RBA to earn money is by resell, okay, the business startup courses. Okay. Let me share with you about these business startup courses. Okay. And it's not all about making money online. As you can see here, we have the mobile food truck startup course, independent trucking company. We have real estate, nail salon, vending machines, drop shipping, online hair. Well, you name it. There are a lot of hairs and you can actually resell them. Okay. People do not need to be part of RBA in order to access these courses. Okay. Here on the second lesson, you're going to see how you're going to have the link that you're going to provide to your customer. You can put your own price and you can sell them separate. These courses have a separate access for the RBA. So again, people do not need to be part of the RBA in order to buy these products. And as you can see, it's not all about the digital work. Okay. So you can actually sell them. Okay. There is also you can have the opportunity to resell the mini courses in the membership gift model. Okay. The membership gift model give you other mini courses. These are video courses. Okay. As you can see here, video and audio. These are actually really, really great. And you're going to have the opportunity to resell them because they give you the master results right. And they also give you a PLR. Okay. So you can modify it and you can also sell them. There are others here in that you can actually sell. And they're going to be an ebook. Some of them, again, you need to read because some of them have like an explanation, like what is the minimum amount that you can sell them. But again, people don't need to access RBA in order to access the mini courses. That's another great thing. Okay. They don't need to access the RBA in order to access the mini courses. Okay. You can also start a multiple businesses. You can sell multiple courses, PLR. You can sell the RBA. That's another way in which you can actually monetize. You can also decide to start a business using the information in the models, because as you can see here, for example, we have the Etsy model, we have the real estate model, so you can have the real estate license. If you want to be a realtor, definitely this is an option. If you want to be a licensed life insurance agent, you can go with this information and you can get your license. And that's the route that you can go, literally using the information that you have here. Okay. You can also bundle the information with the business startup courses and PLRs. So you're going to have, more options to give to your customers. And you can also bundle the business startup courses. Okay. These are literally some examples and some ways in which you can actually monetize the knowledge that you're going to get for just $29 with the RBA. Okay. I can tell you guys, like, there are other ways, and I'm going to be talking about the Roid bot at this moment. There are other bots that you can purchase. And the lowest one I saw, it's $250. Here for $29 is the only way that you're going to have access to the Roid Bot Mentor, that it's going to help you with your business. Okay. Here for $29, again, you have multiple streams of income. You have 20,000 done for you templates and branding, the mini courses, okay, the membership gifts. So literally the opportunity is here for you to take it. And remember, literally with just one sale, you can get your money back, or you can use the knowledge here and you can start your own business. You can provide the services. Okay. So if you're interested in joining, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Remember, at the time recording this video, it's just $29. This is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video.